Hi. So,
Hi.
first of all, I would like to thank you for taking out your precious time to give us your valuable feedback. And so, maybe we can just start with you and would love to hear about you and something about your company.
Yeah, my name's Gerard Callaghan. I'm the CEO and CTO for a company called Print. We're an Australian software company. We've been around since the mid-'80s. We've traditionally focused on what we call document composition. So companies use us to produce transactional documents, like obviously invoices and statements, but we've got hospitals that use us for things like patient sheets, pretty much wherever you can imagine that some sort of document has to be produced. That's the kind of customers we have. And then recently we developed a web service called Paris Deliver, which sort of it's sort of to the side of document composition. So it's actually the delivery of the things that we compose. And so basically it's a web service where customers push their transactional content up into the web service, and then we'll deliver it for them, whether that's either physical through, like, for example, the UK Royal Mail or the US Postal Service, or whether it's digital through things like email or SMS or WhatsApp, etc. So that's what we do. Is that good enough, Nidhi?
Yeah, that's great. And next question would be, could you please let us know about the work we have done for you and your experience working with us?
Okay, so basically this product or the service that we've built called Paris Deliver, we built it so that it's basically just an API. So at its core is an API, and then we built functionality on top of that API. And one of the reasons we did that was that we wanted to engage what we call ISVs or independent software vendors. We wanted to go to companies and say, if your application has any need for physically delivering a document or digitally delivering a document, then you can use us, and it's as simple as an API. So their application can call out to us. What we wanted to do to start establishing proof of concept or experience was we just chose Salesforce as an example of, I guess, an ISV. So we figured if we can do an integration into Salesforce, then that will be, I suppose, proof of concept. It might be an opportunity. We're not sure. We don't really understand the Salesforce space that much. So anyway, we picked Salesforce as a proof case, and we have absolutely no Salesforce experience at all. We used to be a Salesforce customer maybe 15 years ago, or maybe more, but we're not anymore. So we reached out, we had a look to see if there were any partners out there that could help us develop this initial sort of proof of concept. And we were lucky enough to find you guys, Cloud Analogy. And so we asked you to develop a proof of concept, and that's what you've done.
Yes, thank you so much for your kind words. And is there any areas of improvement for us?
No, you've been really good. Nidhi, you've been really good at managing the overall experience, which is appreciated. Vikram has been fantastic. He's like a rock. He's very calm, very knowledgeable, so I appreciate the work he's put in. I can't really think of anything. I mean, the only thing that's difficult, and you probably get this feedback, is just time zones are difficult. I'm in California, so you're half a world away, so time zones don't overlap very well, but it works. So you've made it work, so I appreciate that.
And lastly, any feedback for us, or will you recommend us to others?
Yeah, for sure. I appreciate that. I have to say I get maybe 5 or 6 emails a day offering or asking to do offshore development for us, and I've always just deleted them. I don't even read them. So I guess it's safe to say that if I ever need one, I know where to go. I know where to come.
Okay, so thank you so much for your valuable feedback, and we are surely looking forward for a long-term engagement with you and would be there to assist you anytime you need us.
Excellent. Appreciate it, Nidhi. Thank you very much. And please
Thank you so
Vikram.
much.
Vikram was great.
Sure, I'll do that.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.
Thanks, Nidhi. Bye.
Bye-bye.